Hi, Ted Smith here from Pikes Peak Paragliding, and as promised, this video is going to demonstrate how you install an MCC Aviation universal pod mount onto a Pro Design Nexus harness. So this is the pod, and there's going to be another video specifically about the pod, how to adjust the pod, and all sorts of things about the pod. But suffice it to say, it's really lightweight, weighs about 1 kilo. It's made out of a lightweight lycra material that's stretchy, and it's been treated to make it windproof. It has a carbon fiber footboard in it, so it's again lightweight, your footrest in the pod. And then air vents in the front so it can inflate a little bit to take this bright cone shape when you're flying. And it costs $150 here at Pikes Peak Paragliding. It does attach to several different harnesses on the market. I don't have the exhaustive list of all the harnesses that it connects to, but if you watch this video, you may see whether or not your harness has the features needed to be able to accommodate this Speedbag, and you would hook it up to your harness the exact same way. So here we go. First things first. So the first thing you need to do when you're flying with a pod is you need to replace your standard speed bar with a rope style speed bar that's soft, that doesn't have a hard bar on it. That will abrade the inside of your bag and ruin it. For the sake of this video, I'm just putting the speed bar out of the way so it's not in the way. Then you need to identify a couple of features on your harness that are key for hooking up your speed bag. One is the Velcro tabs of your speed bar keeper. Second, some nylon webbing slit rings that are here near where the speed bar lines come out. And third, here on the corner of your harness, there are these little nylon loops of webbing here on each side that are on this harness are bright orange. And the second one is actually inside the zipper pocket. Pull it out, you can see it. Okay, so to start out, you start at the bottom of the harness first, and the speed bag has some Velcro stripes in here that are sewn into it, and you just go hook to hook, loop to loop. That centers the speed bag on the harness and attaches it there underneath the seatboard. Secondly, on the harness, or on the speed bag, you need to identify this tri-glide adjustable thing and this loop piece of webbing. It's going to go through this web of looping and back through here on each side of the harness. And with that done, get it through there. There we go. The bottom of your speed bag is attached. And if I flip it up, you can see that it's attached here to the bottom of the harness, and the integrity of our air intake for our airbag has not been compromised. Second step. We're going to locate some quick links in a nylon loop here on the corner of the speed bag. That's going to come back to the corner of the harness to these orange nylon loops that we identified before, and we're going to attach the quick link there, close it, and we're going to go to the other side of the harness, get the same quick link and the corresponding loop of nylon webbing. You're going to attach it, close the quick link. Last step. Now there's these loops of nylon here that are sewn onto another reinforced section of the speed bag, and these loops are going to go right over our main carabiners. So it's a little tricky when you're gotta have it in the simulator, but I'll do my best. go. Hang it. That's one. Come across. Do the second one. Go. There you go. Now it's all set up and ready to fly. So the last thing you need to do is when you clip in, connect the speed bag, and that's what it looks like when it's attached to your harness. Again, I'm going to do another video that fully shows the features of the speed bag. I'm also going to do another video that will show me attaching it to the MCC Aviation vice versa harness, and look for those on the vice versa harness page of the website. But there you have it. Flying with a lightweight pod is a really nice thing to do, especially in the wintertime. Keeps you warm. And in the summertime, it's great for flying in shorts. You can get really high where it's cold and you stay warm. And it makes you more aerodynamic. So the fact that this only weighs less than 1 kilo and takes up no space in your pack makes it a win-win accessory to add on to your harness. And you just saw here it took me less than 5 minutes to attach it to the harness. It'll take less than 5 minutes to take it back off again too. So it adds versatility and functionality to your harnesses. So it's great. I love mine. I fly with mine all the time now. So anyway, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the air. Have safe flights. Cheers.